Test number 14, part 1. See question number 46. In question number 46, what is given there? When 1 ampere current is passed for 1 second. So time is also given 1 second. As we know that Q equal to I into T. So Q will be equal to 1 into 1 coulomb. It means the quantity of electricity will be equal to 1 coulomb. See question number 47. Question number 46, option B is correct. See question number 47. In question number 47, what is given there? A rod of metal A dipped in an aqueous solution of metal B, and their E naught values are given. As we can see that E naught value for A2 plus, when A2 plus changes into A, is less than the E naught value of B2 plus changes into B. When A has lower value of E naught, it means A has greater tendency. It means A has greater tendency to be oxidized. A has greater tendency to be oxidized. It means B will deposit on A. B will deposit on A because A has greater tendency to be oxidized. So B will have greater tendency to be reduced. Therefore, B will deposit on A. So question number 47, option B is correct. See question number 48. In question number 48, what is given there? In question number 48, the value of E cell is given there, and the value of E cell is equal to 0.2905. The value of E cell is 0.2905, and the cell is also given. Zinc changes into zinc 2 plus with concentration 0.01, salt bridge, then Fe2 plus reduce into Fe. Now write the cell equation. Zinc changes into zinc 2 plus by the loss of 2 electron, and Fe2 plus by the gain of 2 electron changes into Fe. So net reaction will be Zn plus Fe2 plus changes into Zn2 plus Fe. Now we can write the Nernst equation for this reaction. E cell will be equal to E naught cell minus 0.05 divided by n into log of concentration of Zn2 plus ion divided by concentration of Fe2 plus ion. As E cell for the reaction is given there, and E cell for the reaction is 0.2905 plus 0.059 divided by 2 into log of zinc 2 plus concentration is given there 10 की power minus 2 divided by Fe2 plus concentration is 10 की power minus 3 is equal to E naught cell. On solving, we get the value of E naught cell. On solving, we get the value of E naught cell, and the value of E naught cell will be equal to 0.32 volt. Now we can apply E naught cell will be equal to 0.059 by n into log of Kc. As E naught cell we have calculated 0.32 plus 0.59 divided by 2 into log of Kc. So we can say that log Kc will be equal to 0.32 divided by 0.0295. So now Kc will be equal to 10 raised to the power 0.32 divided by 0.0295. So question number 48, option B is correct. Question number 48, option B is correct. See question number 49. In question number 49, what is given there? The conductivity of a strong electrolyte is. Question number 14. As we know that a strong electrolyte, if AB is taken, it will break into A plus and B minus. And we know that the conductivity kappa increases on dilution. So we can say that question number 49, option A is correct. See question number 50. Question number 50, as we know that standard hydrogen electrode, also called SHE, behaves as a reference electrode, and E0 for H plus, also E0 for H2 changes into H plus, while it is acting as cathode or it is acting as anode. The E0 value for hydrogen electrode is assumed to be 0. So question number 50, option B is correct. See question number 51. In question number 51, what is given there? Question number 51. In question number 51, as we know that Fe3 plus after gaining 3 electrons will reduce into Fe. It means 3 mole of electrons, means 3 Faraday charge is required to deposit 1 mole, means 56 gram of iron. So 1 Faraday will deposit 56 by 3 gram of iron. So 0.6 Faraday will deposit that much gram of iron. So on solving we get 11.2 gram of iron will be deposited by 0.6 Faraday of charge. So question number 51, option B is correct. See question number 52. In question number 52, what is given there? Question number 52. See, in question number 52, 11.2 liter of Cl2 gas is liberated at anode. So we can write the anode reaction as 2Cl minus gives Cl2 plus 2 electron. As we can see that oxidation number 0 to minus 1 for 1 Cl. So for 2 Cl, N factor will be equal to 2. That is change in oxidation number. And we know that gram equivalent is number of moles multiplied by N factor. As volume of Cl2 gas is given 11.2 liters, so number of moles will be 11.2 by 22.4, that is equal to 1 by 2 mole. So gram equivalent of Cl2 will be number of moles into N factor. Number of moles is 2, so gram equivalent of Cl2 will be 1. As we know that gram equivalent of Cl2 will be same as gram equivalent of aluminium, as gram equivalent of Cl2 is equal to 1 and gram equivalent of aluminium will be number of moles into N factor. As we know that Al3 plus after gaining 3 electron will changes into Al, so N factor will be equal to 3, and so gram equivalent is number of moles into N factor, so number of moles of aluminium will be equal to 1 by 3. As we know that number of moles we can use for calculation of given mass, that is number of moles into molecular mass. So weight of aluminium deposited will be equal to 9 gram. So question number 52, option A is correct. Question number 52, option A is correct. See question number 53. In question number 53, what is given there? In question number 53, the question is the current passing through the wire is 1.8 ampere. The number of coulombs that will flow, time is given, that is equal to 1.36 minutes. So we can say that Q equal to I into T. I is 1.8, time converts into seconds, that is equal to 1.36 into 60 seconds. So charge will be equal to 147 coulombs. Question number 53, option B is correct. See question number 54. In question number 54, what is given there? What is Faraday constant? See question number 54. As we know that Faraday constant, what is Faraday constant? It is the charge. It is the charge on 1 mole electron. It is the charge on 1 mole electron, that is equal to 96500 coulomb. And we know that Faraday constant depends on the current pass through the electrolytic solution. So question number 54, option C is correct. See question number 55. In question number 55, what is given there? See in question number 55, the equation is given: zinc solid plus Cu2 plus with concentration 0.1 molar changes into Zn2 plus 0.1 molar concentration and plus Cu. The E0 cell for this reaction is 1.1 volt. Find the E cell for this reaction. As we know that according to Nernst equation, E cell will be equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 divided by N, and N for this reaction is 2 into log of concentration of zinc 2 plus ion divided by concentration of Cu2 plus ion. Now put the values: 1.1 minus 0.059 by 2 into log of concentration of Zn2 plus ion is 0.1. Concentration of zinc 2 plus ion is 1 molar, that is 1 molar. So it is equal to 1 molar divided by 0.1. On solving, we get the value 1.07 volt E cell for this reaction. So question number 55, option C is correct. See question number 56. In question number 56, what is given there? Question number 56. Aluminium is more reactive than iron. So reactivity of aluminium is more than iron. But aluminium is less easily corroded than iron, because as we know that aluminium forms a protective layer. Aluminium forms a protective oxide layer of Al2O3. Aluminium forms a protective oxide layer of Al2O3, but iron does not. Therefore, we can say that aluminium is less easily corroded than iron. So question number 56, option C is correct. See question number 57. In question number 57, what is given there? Question number 57. 4 values of reduction potential is given. E0 for Zn2 plus changes into Zn is given equal to minus 762 volt, which is the strongest reducing agent. As we know that E0 Zn changes into Zn2 plus, this is standard reduction potential. So standard oxidation potential will be plus 0.0762. It means the oxidation potential. The oxidation potential of zinc is highest. The oxidation potential of zinc is highest among all. So we can say that therefore oxidation potential for zinc is highest. It means it has more tendency to be get oxidized. So it is better reducing agent for others. So zinc is the strongest reducing agent. So zinc is the strongest reducing agent. Also we can directly predict more negative value of E0. More negative value of E0 means stronger reducing agent. So question number 57, zinc is the strongest reducing agent. Option A is correct. See question number 58. In question number 58, what is given there? In question number 58, the name of equation showing relation between E and E0 cell. We know that E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by N into log of concentration of product by concentration of reactant in aqueous state. So this equation is known as Nernst equation. So question number 58, option B is correct. See question number 59. In question number 59, what is given there? In question number 59, the question is amount of chlorine evolved when 2 ampere current is passed for. As we know that the weight deposited equal to Z into I into T as per Faraday law, and Z is known as electrochemical equivalent, that is equivalent to equivalent weight by Faraday constant into I into T. And also we can say that equivalent weight of Cl2, as Cl2 is formed by when 2Cl minus changes into Cl2 gas by the loss of 2 electrons. So N factor for the reaction is 2. So equivalent weight of Cl2 will be equal to 71 divided by 2, that is equal to 35.5. So we can say that weight of chlorine deposited will be equivalent weight is 35.5 multiply by current passed 2 ampere for 30 minutes means 30 into 60 in seconds divided by 2 divided by Faraday constant, that is equal to 96500. On solving, the weight deposited of chlorine is equal to 1.32 gram. So question number 59, option B is correct. We have used Faraday law, W equal to ZIT. Z is equivalent weight divided by Faraday constant, E by F. See question number 60. Question number 60 is based on fuel cell. We know that the statement is true for fuel cell. We know that fuel cell is free from pollution. Eco-friendly. Fuel cell is eco-friendly and they have more efficiency. Also we know the fuel cell run till the reactants are active. So fuel cell is eco-friendly, more efficient and run till the reactants are active in the reaction. So question number 60, all the options are correct.